Hey everyone, so today I am making sauteed portobello sticks. You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to slice your portobello mushrooms into nice thick steaks. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell, subscribe. You'll see more videos like this, and I love you guys for subscribing. Thank you. Now in a small bowl, add in all of your sliced portobello mushrooms, and now add in your coconut aminos. You're going to allow it to marinate for at least 20 minutes in the fridge before you cook it. Hit the thumbs up if you're liking this video. In a medium skillet over medium heat, add in your olive oil. And then after it's heated up, add in your portobello mushrooms. Allow your portobello mushrooms to saute and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're all shrunken into a smaller size.